Hi, this is Chef Brad from the Wondermill WonderMix Company. I'm going to show you now how to make gluten-free pancakes. Remember, we talk about our gluten-free flour, and you can click on the link below to find out exactly how to make it, but just to refresh you, it's a blend of 3 or 4 gluten-free grains ground in the Wondermill. And we have our flour right here, freshly ground, and we're going to make our pancakes. Now, you don't have to go out and buy a package of gluten-free pancake mix. You can even make your own mix at home, and we'll have that recipe attached for you too. But right now, we're going to show you how to just whip up a quick batch of pancakes in the WonderMix. In here, I have a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add a couple eggs. And I love buttermilk, so I'm going to put in a couple cups of buttermilk. 1, 2, do you like how I measure? And a little bit of sweetener. I'm going to use agave. You can use whatever you want. Coconut sugar works great, but I really like agave. It's a healthy choice. So we're going to put in a little bit of agave, about 1/4 of a cup of agave, and a splash of vanilla. About a tablespoon of vanilla. I love vanilla. And we want to make sure we add some salt to that, so I'm going to put in a couple teaspoons of salt. And then we have our flour. And I'm just going to turn this on. It's going to take probably about 3 or 4 cups of flour, but I'm just going to turn it on and add flour until I get it to a pancake consistency. And you all have made enough pancakes to know what a pancake consistency looks like. So we're going to go ahead and add our flour. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of flour. That looks great. And a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix that up. Turn our mixer off. And we have beautiful pancake batter, just like that. And now we're going to take our pancake batter and we're going to make our blueberry pancakes right on the griddle. And I love fresh blueberries. So our griddle is nice and hot. We have our gluten-free, and look at the consistency. That's just about where we want it for a nice pancake. Drop that onto the griddle. Oh my goodness, these are going to be great. And then I take fresh blueberries and just dump them right on the top. You can use frozen if you want, but I love fresh. There you go. Let them cook, and we're going to flip them over. Here's our pancakes, perfectly cooked. Who said you can't have fluffy, beautiful, whole grain, gluten-free pancakes that are healthy and nutritious? And I am almost certain with a little bit of agave on here, they are going to be absolutely delicious. I could eat pancakes or waffles every single day for breakfast. It's one of my very favorite foods. Look at that. Oh. Pancakes are amazing, especially made gluten-free in your own kitchen. Enjoy.